Hey guys, my name is Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for watching. I run a travel blog called Where To Now Jenny, where we talk about packing organization, travel tips, and cruising. So if you like content like that, I'd really appreciate it if you would stick around, maybe subscribe or like this video. And now that that stuff's out of the way, let's get on with the video. Today's video is an unboxing of this package right here. I have been on the hunt for a camera bag that doesn't scream camera bag. We have gone to Europe in the past and I didn't take my camera because I didn't have a safe way to carry it. Well, I take that back. I took my small point and shoot Canon G7X, but I didn't want to take, I have the Canon M50 that I'm filming on right now. I didn't want to take that camera because I didn't have a comfortable way to carry it. Every time in the past that I've taken my camera and carried it in a camera bag, it was in a backpack with, most of them had either side or back access to the camera, but some of them also had a front zipper access to the camera. And I wasn't 100% secure in the fact that someone could be behind me on the subway or in a crowd and they would have access to my camera. So I'm looking for another option to carry my camera when we go to Europe this year. I'd like to take it. I'd like to get some really great pictures. So I'm gonna see what I can come up with. So today's unboxing is this package, and this is a Travelon crossbody bag that I bought from Amazon. This video is all about this Travelon crossbody. So I haven't yet found a camera bag insert to go into this. I wanted to get this bag first so I could see what kind of room was inside of it, and then I'm going to purchase one of the camera bag inserts that's just the padding for the camera and not the entire bag. So I'm gonna open this box, see what I'm working with, and then I'll probably do another video where the camera bag inserts comes in, and then I'll use this bag to put the camera bag insert in, see how my camera fits, wear it for a little while to see if it's too heavy. That'll probably be a separate video, so be on the lookout for that. But for now, let's open this box. Okay, let's open the box. So here's the bag, straight out of the box. Got everything wrapped nicely and then in the plastic. Get it open here. Okay, so this is the Travelon Anti-Theft Uptown collection. And I will write the exact name and style number in the description box below. And I'll also put a link in the description box to Amazon where I purchased it. All right, let's look at the features. Okay, so I've zoomed you in a little bit so you can see the features. It's got quite a long strap, so that will work for what I need. And then it looks like it's got a locking zipper on the top and a locking zipper on this front pocket. It also has another zip pocket here, but this does not lock. And then there are no pockets on the back. So on the inside, the inside is like a golden tan color. And then the outside was called cranberry, I believe. I'll write it on the screen if that's not correct. Okay, so on the inside, there is a zipper pocket on the back, and then RFID card slots, and then two bigger slots on the front. So maybe for like your passport or something. There's a key fob holder and a light. But for the purpose of this bag, I want to be able to put a camera down in here. It looks like if I do that, that's probably all that's gonna fit in there. Maybe a camera bag or a camera insert, my passport, my phone, some cards, and maybe a small umbrella. I'm going to London after all. So maybe fit, it might work for what I need and it might not. Okay, so and then this front pocket, it's fairly deep. I can fit my whole hand down in there. So that would be a good place for maybe things I need to access more easily. Maybe my phone. Actually, probably put my phone somewhere with lock. So maybe this pocket. So this pocket is also fairly large. So maybe if I wanted to take my wallet, I would probably lock it in here if there was room, or maybe here for easier access. So that is an overview of the bag. So that is an unboxing and a short overview of this bag from Travelon. Let me give you the official name of it in case you're looking for it. It is the Travelon Anti-Theft Front Pocket Crossbody Bag with RFID. The color does say cranberry tan, and then on this tag it says the style is 43270. So if you're looking for it on either Amazon or I believe it's on eBags, then those will be the numbers you would look for. I also wanted to say one of the things, this bag has gold hardware, if you can see that, and then some of the other colors had silver hardware. I think I was torn between this one, like a mushroom color, it had silver hardware. So that would be an option if you didn't like the gold. Other than that, I have quite a few Travelon bags. I've bought a few on QVC and then eBags and Amazon. So I like Travelon bags. I know how they hold up. I know how they function out in the real world, and I have high hopes for this bag. So here's hoping that I can find a camera insert that goes in this and I won't have to worry about my camera so much. Stay tuned for that video. If I find a camera insert, then I can pack it, see how it feels on my shoulder. You know, sometimes you can pack these too heavy and then you just end up with a backache by the end of the day. So I don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna try to wear it around for a little bit and see how it feels. So I am hopeful that this bag will work out, but if not, I've got plenty of time to figure out some other options. So if you guys have any questions or comments, or if you have a great way to carry your camera without worrying about if someone's rifling through your backpack, then I would love to hear about it. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great week and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.